Welcome to Crewe Seat. Today we have a Seat Leon finished in Technic Grey. This is a 2 litre TDI 184 PS DSG model. Being an FR spec, vehicle features LED headlamps and daytime running lights with front fog lights. Has a wheel upgrade to the 18-inch alloy wheels. Integrated LED indicators in the mirror housing. There's also privacy glass on the car. There's also parking sensors at the rear. The Seat badge doubles as the boot handle. Ample loading space with access to the 60/40 split rear seats. The 5-seater model, the black cloth interior with the red stitching. Four electric windows with electrically heated folding mirrors. Car's a convenience pack which gives you automatic lights, automatic wipers and dimming rear view mirror. There's also cruise control in the car. Touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calls, also navigation with traffic information, and the vehicle benefits from a full link facility for Android and Apple phones. Dual climate control, storage at the front with a USB port and 3.5mm auxiliary, storage in the centre with an armrest and a 12-volt power source. If you'd like any further details of this particular car, please contact Crewe Seat on 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.